In other words, we know that capital gains.
Hey guys, Xander Keen from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini Apple and earnings video recap for 12/14/2012. So a little bit sell off towards the end of the day. Not much action today though. Let's talk about this. We opened up this morning at 14.10 quarter. 80% of the time we get the high or low within the first hour. Today we got the high of the day at 14.13. Then, a lot of overlapping bars, not that much going on. All the economic data we had today was before the market opened. When we have little economic data, the market usually doesn't move much. If it does move, it's because of algo-based trading. So a little bit sell off towards the end of the day. 17 days till fiscal cliff. We'll be hearing this a lot about fiscal cliff. What I want to talk about again, everybody knows what I'm going to be talking about. It's Apple. I came in short this morning, covered it before the market even opened at 516. I trade Apple on the 10-minute bar intraday. I actually did not take a trade today. I was actually looking at it on the 5-minute chart today, and I missed a trade that would have been a great winner all day. I was trying to short 515. We had a big bear bar initially on the first 5-minute bar. And I said, I've seen this game played out before, and I think that Apple will bounce from here, and that will be the high of the day. When Apple sells off down 20 initially in the morning, there's always people that want to rush in and try to buy it, think that it's overdone, right? So I thought buyers would come in. We tested, got above the high of the day. Then we had this flag here, right? Big tail on top, close to the low of the day. I was going to short it at 515. I was going to put a stop around 519 half, maybe even above to 520 half. That would have had me in all day. Apple got down to 505.50, so it would have had me in $10 to the downside. I did not take that trade, so I didn't have any profits in there. One I did take profits in was GM. I saw, and I flagged this always in the live trading room. Paper came in and sold a bunch of Jan 26 calls on the opening, and the stock was trading 25.02 at the time, so I shorted stock at 25.02. 10,000 calls were sold. 10,000 calls is equivalent to a million shares of stock. Jan 26 calls for 61 cents. GM sold off, so I sold it at 25.02. I had a stop, very tight stop. I had a stop above the high of the day, and then I took profit. I took profit at 24.80. I took more profit to 24.58, and then I just closed my position at the end of the day at 24.58. So a great trade in the live trading room in GM. One earnings trade we had today. Adobe, and even though I played it to the bear side, I was happy with, the way I looked at this trade. I was talking in the live trading room how call or put flies will be good for this one. Measured move targets. We had two measured move targets. We had a measured move target of 34 and a measured move target of 38. I picked to play to the bearish side through put flies. I did not. I lost money on this trade, but at least I was right about my thesis. If I'm wrong about direction, that's fine. As long as I'm right about thesis, then I'm happy to some extent. I'd rather see the stock rally to the measured move target than the stock go down about $10. Just makes me feel better. We had a bearish day yesterday. I thought it was, a chance that it could reverse, get down to this 34, even 33 level. So Adobe, strong earnings. They beat on top and bottom line. This is Xander Keen from KeenOnTheMarket.com. If you want to watch me trade unusual option activity, earnings, futures, and forex, real time with real money, shoot me an email. I'll get you in the live trading room. Andrew at KeenOnTheMarket.com. Thanks, guys, and have a great weekend.